Here we are, Linda's garage. Say hi, Linda.
Hi.
So here's the machine. We're gonna drop it off the tailgate, and oh, there's the door, and unload it. All right, let's get after it. Well, that's we want it to operate. Yeah.
Do you want me to videotape you? Is that for your apartment?
Not sure yet. Not sure if I have permission yet.
I'm
not sure if I have permission.
You might be playing it in the garage.
It doesn't go with your decor. I'm sorry to say.
I know.
No.
Big boy, big
This is
toy.
a project. We haven't got as far as where it's going to
Okay.
Go.
So.
So Jeff, did you want to talk about this?
Sure. This is the new Galaga game. Can you come on over?
Kind of
here?
dark
It's kind
there.
of dark here, but
Oh yeah. There's.
that's fine.
I'm sure the panel.
There we go. This is a dedicated cabinet. It's seen better days, but I'll try to fix it up. Okay, a little
You're gonna work your magic.
water on the base. Pardon me?
Tender love and care.
Tender love and care. TLC.
Are you excited about this project, Jeff?
I'm so excited, Linda.
Do you feel like a kid in a game store?
Yeah. Sorry?
Do you feel like a kid in a game store?
Kind of. You know, I didn't really get to play many video games when I was a kid, so this gives me a chance to not just play them, but work on them. And I was amazed at how they operated.
Hmm.
Amazing technology.
Mm-hmm.
But,
So you're excited
it's gonna
about
be
this
fun.
project?
I said that, yeah.
Good.
Yeah, it's gonna be good.
Okay.
All right.
Done?
Thanks.